Hi everyone, this is Krishna Nand Singh. I'm your coach, mentor and guide. In Nata test series video, today we are going to explain part A in detail. We know the part A having a maximum marks, 125 marks here, and that's for 72-minute exam. So very simple. In this particular part, I'll explain you today in a very simple language with the example so that easily you will understand. Well, let's start with the point 1. If you will see the point 1 here in Nata test series video, so you have an important of visual principle composition such as 2D, 3D, and balance, rhythm. So here if you will see these two objects which I'm trying to show you on my screen, so can you understand that what I'm trying to tell you is balance, rhythm, direction, 2D, 3D. Yes, so now it's balancing, and the movement we will go ahead like this. So this is keep changing and rotating. Yes, so that's what about the first thing is the important of the visual principle, where you have to talk about such as rhythm, balance, direction of the objects. Moving forward to second one. Second point is understanding of a geometrical objects to visualize the shapes and solve the geometrical puzzle to test the spatial intelligence. So here what exactly we are seeing it, if this object from this particular side, if you will see, and the same object when you will see from this particular size. So you just need to imagine and you have to see, okay, after 180-degree clockwise how it will look, or if you will go 180-degree anti-clockwise how it will look. So you have to guess the sizes of the object in different angle, and you have to tick that, and maybe you have to answer it which you are already doing in paper in a different way. And Ignite India keeping a test, keeping the different example for this. The next one is gonna be very interesting, which was your third, which you keep reading many book, color. For color, normally we go read the many book for color psychology, color scheme, and many of the other part. But you know what exactly it is out of this six point, the third one, which is the color, is very important. And I have today very good example for your color psychology. Color psychology, they keep you have the moment I'll say color psychology, I see in class also student go and they started doing the Google. That is not you have to do it. You need to understand from surrounding. Remember this when it's come to the color theory, the various terminology is you have to read and learn is what? This one. So this is gonna be your various terminology what you have to learn. Yeah, here you can relate with the happiness, you can relate with your childhood, you can relate with I'm Maggie with this epi, the moment the red colors and all the way it comes, it's almost the same product, but let's talk about more spicy, hot and themselves. So the similar product, but they have their own brand identity and their color also speak here. At the same time, I have another example which I would like to show you here. When we talk about nutritious, something which is really active, or the whole bit natural kind of meat, and then something which you like to take in the morning. So now see their color and the all natures, the way they have defined. So without word also packaging itself is also speaking a lot. So that is about the color I was trying to speak to. The color is something we all having a color in our life and all stays, and there are many things have to talk when it's come to the color. But the fourth point which is more closer to me, before that I would like to tell you, if you haven't subscribed the Ignite India, make sure you like, subscribe and follow us. Watch this video till then, you will learn the all 6 points today, which is never you have imagined in such easy things it is. Yes, I was keep telling from the starting, Nata exam is very easy pattern, it is. So here we are going to learn about the visuals interpretation. So what about the visuals interpretation to test the graphical similarities and the other proportion. So if you will see this object, what exactly if you will see here is when we talk about the visual simulation and interpretation to test the graphical similarities. So what you can see here, the pencil, but the moment you will use this side, it's look like an eraser, because you can erase the object or anything which you want here, right? Using this you can erase it. But what exactly it is a pencil. So two person, the same object, can see and they may have a different interpretation at the same time. But what exactly the meaning of this object is? This is pencil. The one of them is correct. So that is what the PTQ meaning is. I am able to answer your questions, sir. If right, please write in the comment box. Let me know. I have done a lot of research to decode your course in very simple language, and I hope what I'm trying to do it here, that is gonna be really helpful, and you guys are learning it towards this. So if you are really learning it, let me know. I have tried everything in very simple language. The next one is this. You will say, okay, are you showing me the jar with the ball, biscuit, and cookies and all? No. This is the ability to understand the spatial relationship between the other two of the visuals and the objects. Maybe, I need to open this. The image, visual sensitivity and other things. I didn't open it before. So here you can see this object. So spatial value, that means this two also having there. Like let's see the other proportion. So that means proportion is also important. The other proportion we can see. And they are at the same time, their sensitivity, their graphics, then their mechanism, entire design, the other proportions and all. So this is important when we talk about the visual, object, product, anything. So you have to check that where what will fit. See this small one also, how it's going inside, and after going inside of this, if I'll put inside, so this become lock. This object is become lock, right? So this was the fifth one. Now the last one that's mentioned in NATA, that is cognitive ability. The question is all around the cognitive ability, if you will see. So I'll give you another example here is, you will see right now what you're showing it here. It's a look like a book or diary. Yes, the perception, attention, recognition, memory, those are the things they are trying to tell you out of cognitive ability. So whenever we see the book, what comes in the mind? Pen, pencil, right? Next, that will come in your mind. That is what called cognitive. The object, the scene, scenario which you see around, and related to that. Because if you will see below the cognitive ability, the words they have mentioned is attraction, recognition, the memories. So all this which comes when you feel when you feel like to eat something sweets, or something sugary, what comes in the mind? Sweets. When you want to eat something which is spicy, so eating spicy, it may be in a form of any terms, but red chili will come in your mind. If you are having any spicy food, it may be because of some other reason also. So it is very important to understand. This is gonna be very interesting, and it's very easy to get 150 marks. And what are you waiting for? If you really want to score good, if you really want to become a topper, make sure write here in the comment box. Make sure go and register. We are having the classes which gonna be helpful for you guys. Or if you like this video, if you really found this is helpful for the students, though they are preparing for part A, and I have decoded your the NATA syllabus in simple language. If you agree with this, make sure you write in the comment box, so that we can see that the team who put the effort to find out your entire subject in very simple language, anyone can understand. Is that really helpful for you or not? So guys, do not forget to share, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon button of Ignite India today, because this is the way we will teach you till the exam, and we will make sure that we'll come up with the mock paper, test paper, and the part A paper, part B paper, so many other way you can in fact register and access. There are many students already they have registered and they are getting those benefits. So signing off here, Krishna Nand Singh. Thank you so much everyone.